Welcome to Open Film Forge. In this video, I will show you how to use the magic halation LUT in Gimp 2.0 and Gimp 3.0. Let's start with Gimp 2.0. First, download the magic halation LUT from the link provided. Then open a picture you wish to use it on. Next, duplicate the layer and set the new layer to screen. If you intend to perform any color corrections, only apply them to the bottom layer and not the top layer, as this will affect how the LUT will perform. Now select the top layer and apply the LUT using Filters, then Gimp QT. In Gimp QT, find the Apply External CLUT, then navigate to where the magic halation LUT is on your PC. Be sure that Strength is set to 100% and click OK. If you hide the bottom layer, you should see that the top layer has orange and red, where only the highlights are, and everything else should be black. The last step is to select the top layer and apply a Gaussian blur until the desired effect is produced. If for some reason you cannot get the strength high enough, it is because there are not sufficient highlights to produce a halation effect. You can either leave it as it is or increase the exposure to artificially create the effect. Now with Gimp 3.0, it is almost the same, but there are some minor differences that affect how you use it. First, open your picture and, as before, duplicate the layer and set that layer to screen. Before you can apply the LUT, you must lock the pixels in the bottom layer. For whatever reason in Gimp 3.0, if you do not do this, it will apply the LUT to both layers, which we do not want. After locking the pixels in the bottom layer, select the top layer and apply the LUT. You may get an error message, just ignore it. Now, same as before, apply a Gaussian blur to the top layer until the desired effect is produced. You can either leave it as it is or increase the exposure to artificially create the effect. Hopefully this information was helpful. If you like this content, please hit that like button and subscribe.